Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'll be trying out the Right on Trek Beef Stroganoff with broccoli. Now for those of you interested, I did the mac and cheese, so it'll be linked in the description, and also there'll be an end screen card thing, whatever, and I'll have that video linked. Now for those who are wondering, this is a keto and gluten-free meal. So it was $9.99 on their website, which, you know, for stroganoff, I really like stroganoff, so it wasn't really that big of a deal. Cooks in 7 minutes. I have not had this one yet. In fact, I haven't had the other two meals of theirs, which I'm going to still be trying at some point in time. Probably, I might try the other one tomorrow because I'm thinking about going hiking. So, let's, yeah. Let's get to it. Alrighty, so let's take a look at the contents of this meal. Trying to get my camera straight. Let's look at the contents. Of course, I had to rip it weird. Now, they didn't send this to me. I actually bought this myself. So, here we have, looks like the stroganoff powder mix. Oh, yes, I got these. Salt packets. No, I'm just kidding. Don't eat these. Those are bad eats. And I guess that's it for the inside. Inside there's broccoli. And there it looks like there's beef, and then there's mushroom. So, okay. 520 calories. Boil water. Boil 7 ounces of water. That's gonna be tough because a cup's about 8 ounces. Try a little less than a cup. Add the broccoli and beef. Turn down the heat and cook for 3 minutes. But that's gonna be hard because I'm gonna do it on Trangia. But we'll just roll with it. My camera's crooked. Turn off heat. Add, stir in the mix. Cover for 3 minutes and eat it. So turn down the heat and cook for 3 minutes. I think we can do that. So let's get to it. I should note that I actually really like stroganoff, and I also really like broccoli, so, and mushrooms, so, well, good game. All right, so what I've got here is I've got the, this stove was sent to me, the stove stand was sent to me by Bruce at Fab Creations, because he rocks. Thank you, brother. I'm gonna go ahead and put some, now, 7-minute boil. I'm probably not going to need a ton of fuel. So, of course, when I remembered, I brought more fuel than I needed, but that's fine. Don't worry, this is a metal table. So I'm not worried about, good, it's going. Wait for the stove to prime, and then we'll get that water on. The light, firesteel.com ferro rod. Enjoying a cup of coffee from that previous video, which I just shot. All right, there's the water. Man, that is such a cool stove, Bruce. Tell you what, I could smack myself for not using it more often. Bad self. Should have that out more. Alright, we got ourselves purdy boil. Gonna add our mix. Now it said 3 to 5 minutes on lower heat. I don't know how I'm gonna turn this down, but we'll just have to deal with it. I mentioned I'm really digging this stove. I might have mentioned it. Yeah, here's a crazy idea. I don't know if this is going to work, but simmering. I doubt that'll work, but hey, you never know. Alright, so it said 3 to 5 minutes, but I'm gonna go ahead and just say it's close enough. Like I said, I forgot to bring my phone out of my car. So I'll go ahead and carefully open the mix. Pour that in. I'll go ahead and remove it from the heat. And stir in the goodness. There you go. Man, I love the sunshine, but it's right where I'm filming. Should have planned better. Right, set that aside, put the lid on, and let it do its thing. We have to let the fuel burn out because I don't have any way to snuff the fuel out. So we'll just have to let it burn. Right. Alrighty. Moment of truth. Now I haven't even tasted this yet, nor have I licked the spoon to see a little bit of. Man, it smells good. Not much liquid left. I might have pulled it a little too soon, but I let it sit for a good couple minutes too. So here's what she looks like. Here we go. Wow, that was a nice flavor. Of course, as soon as I sit down to eat, here come all the flying bugs. These two. Really? Wow. How do you get up and move? Well, good to the last drop. I wish I had a roll or something to sop up all that juice. Anyway, that was really good. Really good. Flavors were, I would get that again, for sure. Honestly, because I don't really do keto, what I'd probably do is I'd probably bring out about 3/4 of a cup of pasta and just boil it up and just put it right in there. Would make it awesome. But you know, eat carbs. But still, you know, just that by itself is 520 calories. So yeah, it was really good. Tasty meal. I would definitely get that again. So well, anyway, all the links for this Right On Track website will be in the description. Excuse me. You can go check it out. Like I said, the end card will have the mac and cheese video that I did. It was really good too. And yeah, so anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Alright, I guess I'm not quite done yet. I was sitting here thinking, I wonder how easy this would be to clean up if that was an issue for you. So just a little bit of fresh water. Of course, you can just lick your spoon. Let me swirl this off camera and we'll be back. Cleaned right up.